Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I got my 2010 Chevy Silverado show truck here, and I have a full build on this of the frame off and pretty much just painting everything and paint matching a lot of other stuff. But in today's video I have some new wheels that I will be putting on this truck because I lifted it more last fall, and now these 35s just look tiny on it. And you know what? These 22 by 12s also weren't cutting it, so I got some new wheels on the other side of the truck, so I'm gonna get it all jacked up and get these wheels off of it and get the new ones all swapped on and see how she looks with some new shoes.
Looking for a job that gives you more? Join Fraser. We offer paid time off, work-life balance, competitive pay, flexible hours, and
Alright guys, so these are the new wheels I picked out for the truck. Now, I know there might be some mixed opinions on them, but I don't know. This is just what I found that I thought would really bring the truck to life and take it to the next level. So these are 26 by 16s, forged, custom built, and you know, they are a two-piece wheel as well. And they are on 39 1550 R26s. So these are versatile tires, and they look aggressive. So the reason why I went with these and not like 40s or 42s, well, because these were more affordable than 42s, and also I like the look of these over the 40s, just simply because they looked closer to what I already had, and they're a, you know, really aggressive look, which is what I liked about the wheels that were already on it. So I'm gonna get the wheels put on this side and give you another look at how they look on the truck. All right guys, and there it is. I got the first wheel all fully mounted and on. The jack is over there. It is fully on the ground, and this is how it's gonna look. And guys, that definitely has a lot more pop and just gives it that bling compared to those. Those just, you know, are your, you know, I guess starter set. And these are your baller set. So let me know what you guys think about the new wheels I'm putting on the show truck here. But honestly, I think that they look really nice. And already looking at it, yeah, it's not gonna clear. But I kind of already knew that. So guys, expect a whole new suspension lift kit and everything to come at some point for this thing. I don't know when, you know, I got a lot of other projects and stuff going on, but guys, at some point, stay tuned, because the suspension's gonna be getting ripped out of this thing. That's a fact, but when, only time will tell. So I'm gonna get the rest of these wheels on and get back to you guys. All right guys, and just like that, I have all the wheels put on the truck now, and guys, this thing looks so good now. Oh my God, I love this look. These wheels like fill in like the gap and all that perfectly. Like, it's too bad that they're probably gonna rub really bad, but I mean, I still gotta test that, but it's way too late to start this thing, especially where I'm living now. But I'll have to test that out. But I mean, I'll probably only be able to get one turn, even though you're supposed to go like a turn and a quarter or a turn and a half. But you know, it might just be worth it. But the other thing is, so I still have the 2-inch spacers on the back, and you can definitely tell. But also keep in mind, the front end is really stretched out, so that's probably pulling the wheel in a little bit too. So it shouldn't be as bad, but like I could probably fit another full 2-inch spacer on the front just to level them out. But you know what? It's fine for now. You know, as long as, you know, I can at least drive it to work and back, I'm happy, because they look amazing on there. And guys, just putting these tires on gave it another 2 full inches of lift. And now I officially can't even see the bed rail on that side of the box. Like, I'm looking through the camera right now. I can't see it. So guys, this truck is huge. But like I said, I'll probably end up changing the suspension in it and going with a whole new custom lift and all that, and forward linking it. And guys, I'm planning on going with like a full air ride system. That's my thought process right now. So I'm hoping to do that. And then guys, I mean, we open up the door here, like it's up to my belly now, the floor of the truck to get in. Like, you know, I'm no athlete or nothing, you know, I'm not a high jump expert. So I'm probably gonna end up having to put some, I forget what they're called, amp side steps, I believe, put on. So some electric, you know, power folding deal. So those will be super nice. But guys, this is a much needed upgrade for the truck, and I believe that this just took it to a whole nother level. So I hope that you guys like them as much as I do, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.